9. Condition that can cause painful urination. Have you ever gone to empty your bladder, then you experience some pain, and you not really sure what's wrong? Pain during urination can be caused by different things, and below are some conditions that can be the cause of your misfortune. Number 1. Prostatitis. The prostate gland is found in male reproductive system. It's about 20 grams. It's important part of reproductive system. When it become infected by bacteria that has ascended from urethra, or from bacteria that has descended from the kidney or spread from somewhere else throughout blood, it causes inflammation. This conditions mostly affects males who are older. Acute condition is less common compared to chronic. When someone has a chronic condition, mostly they won't show signs but sometimes can cause an allergic reaction. In some cases the secretion from prostate gland can leak into the surrounding tissues causing inflammation. Number 2. Urethritis. This condition affects mostly younger men. The urethra inside the penis becomes inflamed. Mostly it's due to bacteria that gets in there through sexual activities or poor hygiene. In case of gonococcal infection, in women, pain is due to inflammation of vagina, cervix and the glands. Number 3. Acute pyelonephritis. Mostly occurs after infection of the urinary tract. Bacteria spreads to the kidney causing inflammation. Some cases bacteria from blood causes inflammation of the kidney. Accompanied signs include wanting to urinate more often, fever, chills, nausea and vomiting. Number 4. Cystitis. Wanting to urinate more often, pain during urination, pain in abdomen, discomfort in the pubic region. All these symptoms are an indication of inflamed bladder. It can be due to bacteria from kidney or bacteria from the urethra. It is more common in females since their urethra is shorter. Bacteria can be from feces or sexual intercourse. Number 5. Sexually transmitted disease. I bet you are familiar with the STDs. Syphilis, gonorrhea. You can name them. Mostly it's painful urination accompanied by discharge. Number 6. Cancer of bladder. This condition affects mostly men and people above 50 or a higher risk. Concrete sign is blood in urine accompanied by painful urination. But to confirm the diagnosis more test has to be done. Things like drugs, smoking, diet, increases the risk of having bladder cancer. Number 7. Infection by herpes virus. It mostly causes ulceration on the genital and mouth. This condition increases the risk of HIV. It is mostly transmitted through sexual activities. It can cause inflammation of cervix and vagina, causing painful urination. Number 8. Trichomonas. Have you ever heard of Trichomonas vaginalis? A bacteria that causes trichomonas. It is transmitted during sexual activities. It causes inflammation of vagina in women and inflammation of urethra in men. Number 9. Bilharzia. When you step on contaminated water, blood fluke can penetrate on skin, circulate in body and later rest in the bladder. Some will be passed out during urination while others will remain. It will feed on nutrients causing anemia, fatigue, weight loss and even pain. Urination accompanied with blood in urine